Hello, I'm Cassie from Sunzza. As a professional factory, we always our friends not put the pretty sushi box in the microwave, and many friends confuse what will happen if do that. Today, we will do the test for you.
Let's see what happens when a sushi box is heated in the microwave for 3 minutes. 1 minute later. No significant change in the box after 1 minute of heating. The second minute. The box has a slight deformation after 2 minutes of heating. The third minute. The box is completely deformed after 3 minutes of heating. More sushi box for your choice. Remember, contact Sunzza.